Oh, hi there. How are you? Kathy is leaving with her family for the province.
Yeah, she dropped by to say goodbye. I think she's going to miss us.
Well, we'll miss her too. That's why we're preparing this small gift for her.
So she will remember us.
Hey, Marge, can you ask Kathy if she's leaving right now?
Are you sure, Joji?
Of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Kathy? Yes, Marge? Joji said that you have to leave right now. He wants me to leave right now? That's what he said. Oh. I thought I could stay for a little while, but it looks like Joji doesn't want me here. Sorry, Kathy. That's okay, Marge. I'll just leave. Joji might be busy. I hope to see you when I get back from the province. Bye, Joji.
Aw, leaving so soon? Is your family calling you now?
No, but since you want me to leave, I'll just go.
Want you to leave? Who wants you to leave?
You.
Me? I didn't say that.
Marge told me. Didn't you ask me to tell Kathy that she is leaving right now?
Oh, Marge, I didn't ask you to tell her. I asked you to ask if she's leaving right now.
What?
You misunderstood me. I am asking if she's leaving. I'm not telling her to leave. Let's be clear. There is a difference between an asking sentence and a telling sentence. An asking sentence asks for information. It's a question. While a telling sentence tells information. I told Marge to ask Kathy if she is leaving right now. What she has to say to Kathy is an asking sentence, not a telling sentence.
I think I get it now. I should ask her and not tell her. Sorry.
That's fine, Marge. At least now you know.
Yeah, that's okay. So you're not really telling me to leave?
Of course not, Kathy. I wanted to know if you were leaving so that I could make sure we could give you this on time.
Wow, you have a gift for me. Yup, so you'll never forget us. But I'll be away for just 3 days. We just want to make sure.
Open it, Kathy.
No.
Huh?
Why not? I want it to be a surprise.
Open it, Kathy.
Please, please, we want to see you open it. I'll think about it. Come on, Kathy. Open it, please.
At last! According to this map, this is where I can find the Great Wizard of Oops. But where could he be? Great Wizard of Oops! Great Wizard! Great Wizard of Oops!
I am the Great Wizard of Oops. Ask me anything. Anything that you want to know or discover, just ask me.
Where are you? Where? Are you hiding behind that crystal ball?
Those are very good asking sentences. Where are you? And are you hiding behind that crystal ball? But may I request for you to slow down, one asking sentence at a time.
Okay, Wizard, I understand. I am Itoy, I am a farmer, and I came here to ask a question about my farm.
Oh, I'm sorry, that is not acceptable. I came here to ask you a question about my farm. Is not an asking sentence, but a telling sentence.
But I just told you the reason why I came here.
And that is another telling sentence.
Wait, so Do you want me to just ask?
There you go! An asking sentence. Do you want me to just ask? Now you're getting it.
Oh, okay, I think I get it. He doesn't like telling sentences. He only likes asking sentences. I guess that's okay. That's why I came here anyway, to ask. All right, great wizard of oops. I'll get straight to the point. How can I make my plants grow faster?
That, my friend, is a very good asking sentence. Now you really know how to talk to the great wizard of oops.
Wait, what? What's your answer to my question?
Yes, that's an asking sentence.
Huh? Wait, so aren't you going to tell me the answer to my...
I'm afraid you won't get an answer, sir.
But he's the great wizard of oops, right?
Yes, I know him well.
Then you know that you can ask anything to the great wizard.
Definitely. Anything.
But then how come...
But no one said that he'll answer your questions. Say all your asking sentences to him, but you will not get any answer.
But I came a long way to get here.
I'll go ahead, sir. Just ask the great wizard anything. He really enjoys asking sentences.
But I have here some sentences. I need you to tell me if they are telling sentences or asking sentences. Are you ready? Great, let's start. This is the first sentence. Can penguins fly? This is an asking sentence. It has a question mark at the end. This is the second one. Penguins can't fly. Are you sure it's an asking sentence? It doesn't have a question mark at the end. It's a telling sentence. This is the next one. Why do we blink? It's an asking sentence. We blink to keep our eyes clean. It's a telling sentence. Do birds have teeth? Is this a telling sentence or an asking sentence? Another asking sentence. How about this? Birds don't have teeth. It's a telling sentence. This is the next one. Where is the ocean of storms? It has a question mark at the end. It's an asking sentence. The ocean of storms is on the moon. I don't think it's an asking sentence. It's a telling sentence. How many Earths can fit in the sun? This is an asking sentence. 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. This is a telling sentence. Well done! Thanks for helping me! Yo, what's up? It's James Les Reed here, and today, let's look at the letter X. The letter X makes the sound X. Say it with me. X, X, X. We can hear it in the words box, axe, fox, 6, mix. Now let's try writing it. It's very simple. For the big letter X, we just have to start at the top. We have to make a slanting line, then we go back at the top, then we have to make another slanting line. For the small letter X, we have to make a slanting line, then we go back at the top and we have to make another slanting line. Now let's try tracing it. Let's start with the big letter X. Now for the small x. Now you're an expert in writing the letter X. There are 5 big letter X in this picture. Let's find them. Are you ready? Here we go. Did you find them all? Well done! Now let's look for the small letter X. There are 5 small letter X in this picture. You have to find them before the time ends. Did you find the 5 small letter X? Wow! Good job! Now let's practice some more. Let's look for objects that have the sound of the letter X. What's the sound of the letter X again? Correct! The sound of the letter X is X. Which of these has the X sound? Box. It has the X sound. How about here? Horse? I don't think that has the letter X. Fox. This has the letter X. There's another one. Snake? I don't think so. Try again. Ox. Correct. Here's the next one, which has the letter X. Axe. This is the last one. I don't think that's the answer. Look again. Six. It has the letter X. Excellent! Now we found the things that have the letter X.
Okay, now we'll open the gift you gave me. This is for you, Kathy. Aww. Did you like it? Of course I like it.
That'll remind you of us for sure.
Actually, even if I don't have this, I'm sure I'll always remember you guys. And we also have one. Wow, that is so sweet.
Well, thank you for being with us today. We'll see you again next time. I hope you had a great time because my room is your room. Goodbye!
Bye.